welcome back to my channel. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and today I have an unboxing of a haul. I purchased this awesome little item that I have been seeing everyone use. This particular haul was inspired by my friend Kimmy Murray, Salty Beach Scrapper. I'm going to turn it this way because you can see who I purchased it from. Tailored Expressions. Okay, I'm very excited to show you this. Okay, I'm going to open the box and let's get to it. Okay, and I have opened the box and look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And here is the website information, tailoredexpressions.com. I love this envelope. And inside is the receipt for my purchase. And it is one precision glue press, one Barely Art precision craft glue refill, a blender brush cleaning tool. I got to use a discount coupon and it turned out to be a fantastic haul. I love this. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to use this. This is a cleaning tool for cleaning all of our brushes, our mixed media sponges and brushes. You could even do your makeup brushes, but oh my gosh, I love this. I can't wait to use this. And then I got the Barely Art glue. You have to go and check this out. It was a very reasonable price. I usually purchase from, Amazon because I have Prime. I am lazy, but oh my gosh, look. Now I'm all set. I also use reptile glue, but this has become my favorite. Love, love, love it. Love it. How cute. So there we go. And here it is. Oh my gosh. So my main thing is, with my cats running around, I needed a good place to also keep my glue, and this is handy. I mean, oh my gosh, your glue is always ready to go because gravity is working with you. It goes into the stand. It even came with an additional glue bottle that you can fill with your favorite glue, and I'm going to fill this one with the Barely Art glue. And then here it is. This is how it came packaged. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. And it came with Nuvo glue. Ooh, this is a great rubber band. Wow. I have never used Nuvo glue. I am going to switch it out though and fill up the other one with the Barely Art glue. Oh my gosh. Look at the cap. That alone makes me want to have this out. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. And so, when you're not using it, you put your cap back on. You can even, it looks like it just pops out. Oh my gosh, like that. And then you put in your other one. And they are the same size bottles. This is full of Nuvo glue, you guys. So, I mean, you get and then you get an additional one. Oh my gosh, I am very excited about this because the glue bottles that I get, they don't last very long. The little funky tip, something happens to it, they keep getting clogged up. So, I am very excited about this and saving my hands because I do have a little bit of an arthritis thing starting to happen. Oh my gosh. And so with your glue bottle in it. Oh wow, I love this. I am so excited. Super excited. Oh my gosh. How cool. Okay. All right. I am super excited. I will be definitely... And it goes in that right back in. right? How does this go back in? Anyway, I'm going to put this back in. Super excited to have this. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. There's Ash. Hi, Ash. Okay, bye for now. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and these are my new treasures. Okay, see you next time. Okay, and how this goes in is really simple, and you just lift up on the little cap, and it pops back in. Okay? Yay! All right, see you next time. Oh, and I didn't show you the freebie. Here is the freebie. Oh my goodness. So you'll see this has got some, this video will have, you know, a couple of edited areas that I'll say goodbye. And, oh, by the way, how cute, it's a stamp. Oh, oh my gosh, thank you. And look, it even has the sticker or something where you can mount it. Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you so much. And a cute little, and that's how it stamps out. Oh my gosh. It's a little sticker. How cute. Thank you. Thank you for my little gift here. That is a wonderful gift. Oh my gosh. And, okay. I will see you next time. Be safe. Be happy. Hugs. Love you bunches.